Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm so happy you're here. Today, we're going to learn some really great ways to make your English praise sound more natural and friendly. So you can go beyond just saying good job. Let's get started. Do you ever feel like you're using the same phrases over and over again? Good job is perfectly okay, but using different expressions, well, that can help you connect better with people and just sound more confident. So let's learn a few new ones. In this short lesson, we're going to learn 3 new, natural, and very useful phrases. I'll say each one nice and slowly, and I'll even leave a little pause so you can repeat it out loud. Ready? Okay, first up, let's start with a phrase that's just perfect for those everyday casual situations. With friends, classmates, or your friendly colleagues. And here it is. Nice work. It's simple, it's friendly, and it's a perfect replacement for good job in almost any daily situation. Nice work is a great all-around phrase. You could say to a classmate, nice work on your homework, or maybe to a colleague, nice work on that email. It's positive and super encouraging. Okay, now you try. Say it out loud. Nice work. Great. What about those situations that are a little more formal? Sometimes you need something with a bit more professional weight, So we have our friendly, casual, nice work. But for something a bit more serious, you can use well done. This one is perfect for when a manager is praising an employee or maybe right after someone gives a really good presentation. Let's focus on this one. Well done. It sounds really sincere and has a professional feel to it that shows you truly respect the effort someone put in. You'd probably use this for something that required some real skill, like a performance or a presentation. Saying well done on your presentation is such a great way to show you appreciate their hard work. All right, say it with me. Well done. Excellent. Okay, for our last phrase, we're going to talk about those moments when someone does something that just completely blows you away. When nice work or well done just isn't strong enough to capture how you really feel. For those moments, you can use this fantastic phrase, that's impressive. It immediately tells the other person that you're not just pleased, you're genuinely amazed by their skill. You really saved this one for the big accomplishments. Maybe a friend just ran a long distance. You can say, wow, that's impressive. You ran 10 kilometers. Okay, it's your turn. Repeat after me. That's impressive. Fantastic. So there you have it. We've learned 3 excellent new phrases. But learning is just the first step, right? The most important part is actually putting them into practice. So let's do a quick recap. So just remember our 3 levels of praise. We have nice work for casual, friendly situations. Then there's well done for more formal or significant achievements. And finally, that's impressive for when you are truly, truly amazed. All right, here's a simple challenge for you. First, just pick one of these phrases to focus on. Second, find one real opportunity to use it today. And third, just keep practicing. You're already doing great by learning with me. Thank you so much for joining me today. Keep up the fantastic effort with your English learning. Now, think about it for a moment. Which phrase will you use first? Just making that choice is your first step. See you next time.